Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up OpenAI Assistants in Slack with workflow automation, detailed guide step by step clearly. To set up OpenAI Assistants in Slack with workflow automation, begin by logging into your Slack workspace. Navigate to the Slack app directory through the left sidebar. In the search bar, type OpenAI to locate the OpenAI Assistant app. Click on the OpenAI Assistant app to open its page. Select the Install button to add the app to your Slack workspace. After installation, you may need to authorize the app to access your Slack channels. Follow the prompts to grant the necessary permissions for the app. Once installed, configure the OpenAI Assistant by accessing its settings. In the app settings, link your OpenAI API key to enable functionality. Visit the OpenAI website to create an account, if you don't already have one. Generate an API key from your OpenAI account dashboard. Copy this API key for later use in Slack settings. Return to your Slack workspace and paste the API key into the designated field in the Assistant settings. Next, explore the Workflow Automation feature. To create a workflow, click on Workflow Builder located in the left sidebar. Select Create to start a new workflow. Choose a trigger for your workflow, such as a specific command or message. When the trigger is set, add an action by clicking on Add Step. In the Action menu, select the OpenAI Assistant integration. Configure how you want the assistant to respond based on the trigger you've set. You can include variables and specific commands in your configuration. Once your workflow is complete, give it a name and save it. Test the setup by triggering the workflow with your designated command. Monitor the responses from the OpenAI Assistant in your Slack channel. Adjust settings and triggers as necessary based on the performance. Explore different use cases for adding more workflows with the OpenAI Assistant for enhanced efficiency. Continue to iterate and improve your automated workflows as needed for optimal performance. Enjoy the streamlined communication through OpenAI Assistants in your Slack workspace. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.